This video explains what a row is. In simple terms, a row is a horizontal line of cells used to organize information in a table or spreadsheet. It runs from left to right across the screen. Rows exist because data needs to be organized in a clear structure. A row usually represents one complete record or entry, such as one student, one product, or one item. This makes information easier to read and compare. A row is not the same as a column, which runs vertically. It is also not just one cell, and it is not the entire worksheet or document. A row is one horizontal line of cells. You do not need to memorize this. You just need to recognize horizontally organized information. You usually see rows in Excel spreadsheets or in tables of data. Each row is numbered along the side, and each line of information stretches from left to right across multiple columns. This diagram organizes the idea of a row. Use it as a reference if needed. When you see a horizontal line of cells running from left to right, you are looking at a row.